Good morning mga kajakoy. Ito yung unang vlog natin na nag-edit tayo. Pasensya kung hindi maganda pero itatry natin na maganda no. Salamat sa suporta. Oras time check at 8:40. Yung pasukan nila 8:50. So medyo sakto lang tayo sa oras. Kasi draft off lang sila dito. Alude, dito sa Canada walang traffic enforcer. Kasi lahat niyan may camera Pag mag-overspeeding ka, diretso yan, ticket sa bahay mo, sa address mo. Bawal ang mag-park dito ng matagal. Drop off lang talaga. Okay, kuya. Bye-bye kuya. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye to the vlog, dali. See you later. Ito na, galing lang tayo sa Racket. Ngayon, dadaan lang tayo sa Jollibee. Kasi mamaya, punta tayo sa Pisyo. Sama natin si Kuya BJ para health is wealth, di ba? Yan Jollibee. Jollibee, Calgary. Ngayon, hindi sila busy ngayon. Papunta po tayo doon sa physiotherapy natin. Dito na tayo sa building ng Spectrum Physiotherapy Massage. Okay, first time ni Kuya BJ magpamassage. Enjoy na enjoy si Kuya BJ, mga kajakoy. Every 2 weeks kasi schedule niyan sa akin. So ngayon gusto ko ma-experience niya sa ibang masahista para maiba naman. Diba?
From Physio for a massage by Dakota.
Yeah.
Feel better.
Is it okay? Yeah, because the he's feeling under pressure. Then we're gonna so because he goes fast like that, and that's going there. So after the leg, yeah. So don't let the force in there. It's kind of general like that. That's why so it's the yeah. So the joint both joints up is the little one. That's my first one. After the games, you must soak your feet in ice water for 5 minutes. Every time you play, you get an hour, come home, fill the bathtub.
Together.
How you feel, yeah?
So would you want that same?
Yep.
Just portion for it.
Yeah, I can fill my portion on it, and then we'll keep it in time. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Just want to wait at the front, and Maya will be video. Okay. Yeah.
This is Shockwave. Is it okay to post this on Facebook account? Yeah?
Does that hurt?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I told you.
It's better though.
Yeah.
Not as bad.
Yeah, I told you. This day hurting me. Oh, wow.
Breathe.
Ooh.
Why are you being such a baby for the video?
No, just for fun, Oh,
This is better up here, right?
yeah. Sa totoo lang guys, ang sakit-sakit nitong Shockwave na to. Pero ang laking tulong nito sa paa. Let me know if you're going to deep, like more deeper now, so that I can prepare.
Go to the other side as well.
Yeah, please.
Relax now. Don't move too much. You're moving too much today. You just on social media or what?
Yeah, is it okay?
Yeah, what's your Instagram?
Hey guys, I'm here at the Spectrum Physiotherapy with this doctor. Yeah. Yeah, how is it, mister? It's hot. It's okay. Anong ginawa sa'yo? Yeah, kuya? Sa akin, shockwave. Masakit. Shockwave. Sobrang sakit. Pero worth it. Yeah. It's okay. Oh, mine too. See?
Tagalog po?
Oh, hindi
Ano?
na.
Lumaki siya dito, no?
Yan si
Ala,
ate.
kuya! Lalay
Yan si ate.
So, need ko lang signature mo. Minor consent form po.
Sige. Thank you.
Bye.
Ayan na po mga kajakoy, marami pong salamat sa panonood ng video. Meron po tayong kunting pakulo dyan. Meron pong maliit na clip dyan sa video na yan. At ang tanong, after this video, Tapos kung sino po yung unang makasagot, meron po tayong pa-GCash na konti. Kasi ito po yung unang video na ginawa natin. Salamat po sa support, paki-share na lang po at follow. Thank you!